Modern fireplace burner systems are revolutionizing home heating and design. Curious about how they can enhance your living space and what benefits they offer? Let's dive in. First up, advanced burner technology. These systems improve fireplace efficiency, providing a more consistent and cost-effective heat. They're not just functional, they also offer beautiful flame effects that can completely transform your room's ambiance. Next, consider customizable designs. Modern fireplaces come with a range of styles and fuel options, including eco-friendly choices that support a sustainable lifestyle. Another standout feature is the remote-controlled operation, which offers unmatched convenience. With integrated safety features, you can enjoy your fireplace with peace of mind. When it comes to installation, modern systems are designed for ease, and while there's an initial cost, the energy savings and aesthetic appeal they provide make them a worthwhile investment. So, if you're looking to elevate your home with innovative fireplace solutions, consider the benefits of modern burner systems. For more details, check out our website and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for the latest updates.